Hi, it's Tanya from My Forking Life, and today we are making zucchini fritters. I was at the market, grocery store, market, whatever you call it, and I saw some beautiful zucchini, and I decided, why not make fritters and try to make them in my air fryer? And you know what? It worked. It's perfect. It's good. So today we're gonna go ahead and get started. First, we're gonna get some zucchini. I've got 2 medium-sized zucchini, and I'm going to start grating them. I like to use a regular old-fashioned box grater. This used to have a handle. It was a wedding gift and it broke off. Either way, I'm gonna use this one to go ahead and start grating our zucchini. First, I'll chop off the ends. And as you can see, I am using a knife and I'm just gonna get rid of those ends, and then I'm going to use the large side of that box grater to grate my zucchini. Be careful for your fingers. You don't wanna scrape your skin. Been there, done that. It doesn't feel good. Once you've grated all your zucchini, you are going to put it in a big bowl. Now I want you to see how small the zucchini is. It's a perfect size for your fritters. I like this better than the food processor because the food processor, the chunks are either too small or too big. Box grater is perfect. All right, so after we've added it to our bowl, we are going to put a nice hefty tablespoon of kosher salt. That will not only season your zucchini, but it will also help drain off that excess liquid. I'm going to set that aside and prepare my dipping sauce. I've got some Greek yogurt and some chopped chives. You can use whatever herb you want. I've used parsley before, and I'm going to use chives today. And I've got some minced garlic that I am adding to that, as well as some salt. I'm going to add a couple of pinches. I'm running low on salt. And then I'm going to add some fresh lemon juice to lighten up that dipping sauce. And then just stir it all till it's combined. And after we're done stirring this, we're just gonna put that in the fridge to set aside while we prepare the rest of our fritters. Now that my zucchini has sat in this bowl for about 10 minutes, I am going to get some good quality paper towels to drain the zucchini. I say good quality because you don't want your paper towels to stick to that zucchini, because then you might have paper towel in your food and that's disgusting. So if you've got some good quality paper towels, or if you've got some clean dish towels or whatever, you can use that to drain your zucchini. All right, so my zucchini has been drained and it's dried, and so I'm gonna add it back to the bowl. I'm gonna add an egg, I'm gonna add some flour, I'm gonna add some seasonings here. I've got some garlic powder, some paprika, and some onion powder, and some freshly cracked black pepper, because that's what I like. You could also choose to add whatever seasonings you like, maybe a little bit of cheese if that's what you want, but this is all I'm gonna add to my fritters. Now I'm coming over to my air fryer. I'm gonna use my Ninja Foodi today. And on the bottom, you can see I've got some parchment paper liners just to line the bottom of that basket. And I'm gonna lightly spray it with oil. Not a lot, just a little bit. And then I'm going to close my air fryer, and I am going to cook this on 360 for about 12 minutes, flipping halfway through, and voila. Now they're not the prettiest thing ever, but I tell you, they are so good. Put them on a platter, serve them with the dipping sauce, and everyone will love you, and they'll be impressed because you've made fritters in an air fryer. Yum.